Wow, first day of camp. I'm excited.
You should be. Camp IMNS is a special camp. You know, we have really special campers, and this is just a check to make sure that the parents gave us everything we need for them.
Gotcha.
You know, because they're very, very, very special kids.
Here they come.
Yes.
Look. It's a bunch of them.
They're very special.
You said that.
I did.
Okay. This way, guys.
Hey, hey! I'm so excited you're here. Welcome to Camp IMNS at Frogland Canyon.
Awesome. Okay. Hi, welcome to camp. What's your name?
Andrew. Why are you whispering, sweetheart? I'm not the one who's whispering. You are.
Okay. Andrew, do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
What?
No. Okay, Andrew, well, you know what? You have a great summer.
Yeah. What? Okay.
Okay, hey, sweetheart, how are you?
I want the skirts in scene 3. Make it done, otherwise you're fired. Now.
Hi, welcome to camp.
I would like my lunch to be arrived at 3.
Lunch is provided for.
Oh, okay. So what's your name?
Paris. From Paris. 45 minutes away from London.
Okay, awesome. Paris, do you have any allergies?
No, I'm a vegetarian.
Okay.
Okay, right.
All right, well, do you have your uniform?
For the nature walk.
Yeah.
Uniform? You mean like what y'all wear?
Yeah, these really cool t-shirts.
They're not cool. Where's the bedazzle? Where's the diamonds? The sparkle?
This is camp, you know, there's...
Nice.
Okay, hi, can I get your name?
Angel.
Angel. Angel. Okay. Angel, do you have any allergies?
Such as viruses, germs, infections?
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Allergies.
Do I look like I could be infected?
Well,
That's what I
really
thought.
just... No, what's your name? What's your name?
Nope, I'm not in pain. What's your name, sweetheart? Oh, Nadia? Okay.
Nadia. Awesome. Okay, Nadia, do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies?
No, I have my MP3.
Do you have any allergies?
No.
Okay. Good. Oh yeah. Your room assignments are at the registration table.
Y'all have tables?
You can get your room assignments at the registration table. Your dietary.
Yes, y'all do need a breath mint.